All right, then we got to put some in the other bucket. Purple power.
No, it is power that is purple.
It is power that is purple?
Do you need a hand?
Yeah, and go Allie, go Allie, go Allie, go Allie.
Oh yeah, baby, come on, come on, you got it, you got it.
You can do it.
Oh my God.
They said there were 3 deals on it. Boys always know I can get a little bit bigger.
Just got to rub it a little. Was that an Ewa?
I said, oh.
Oh,
She
Ewa.
gets the O shirt, we get the Ewa.
All right.
Thank you. It's been a lot of work. Yeah, I did, which cascaded into multiple other issues.
No.
Yes.
But yeah, when
Yeah.
we ended up replacing the frame, I'm like,
How much are we putting in there?
The upper arms are going to go in that.
Will they fit?
Yeah, they should.
man,
It's all going to marinate. Marinate. Here, give me that upper arm, Peter. Because we're going to soak it, and then we'll drill those after. So we'll drill those next week.
I would say let's get as much in as we can that is soakable.
Get the other upper arm.
Yeah, let's get it soaked. Yep.
Yes.
Well, I'm not touching anything anymore.
But we can soak that.
My hands are clean. Yep.
Yeah, or the other bucket. Let me get that other arm first, please. If it's rubber, please pull the rubber off, yeah.
Well, the purple power won't hurt it, but it'll actually.
No, I was talking Peter. Well, that's got to come off anyway. Yeah, so go ahead and put that in that side down, please. And force it kind of in
The
there.
rubber spring.
We have those, yes.
Yep.
Yes.
watch because I was in there one day and I pulled the parking brake off.
That's
Car was
sweet
off.
color.
Isn't it gorgeous?
No, we're going to soak it first.
Trying to do something. Now as the car's rolling
It's like
back,
copper and
because once the
champagne.
pedal was up, as soon as you give it power,
Wait, is it a
release the
two-tone?
parking brake.
Yeah. It's
a
a fade.
Just to that.
Oh, to
Because
this.
I was looking
And
at it
then
like, it looks like the gravel is.
There we go.
This color.
No.
All right.
Okay.
That goes in the trash.
And there's some things we've actually
Trash.
in.
Trash.
Good.
Trash.
This trash?
Trash. Throw those
Was
in
there
the.
anything else on this though?
Throw that in the drink. And then get the other one.
Gotta be
Not even in there.
We'll get the rest. Get in there. We're gonna fill the rest away with water.
yeah, guys. Actually,
Just bucket it. Just cause. Get it down lower if you can, Peter. Just in case.
No greasing.
All right, so that's coming along, boys. Look at the Ewa. Just with doing a little water in the purple power, it's already getting scuzzy. Scuzzy. Hey, Allie, it's scuzzy.
Fuzzy, fuzzy. What?
He-
Ew.
Ew.
Get all that gunk off there.
The gunk. The gunk. Oh, look at it. It's like burping. Look at that. The purple power bath.
Look at it. Look at that.
Yeah, just the scuzz. And it's gonna get even yuckier.
Yeah.
Because
I'm
it.
gonna leave the hose here because we'll wait for the
Let the
bubbles.
foam go down and we'll go up again. All right. Looking